If you have a large indoor or indoor-outdoor space, you know that creating an environment that is easy to navigate is crucial for business success. GPS is great for outdoors, but indoors it is not reliable or precise. Introducing Mapsted, the innovative indoor-outdoor positioning system, revolutionizing navigation in large spaces across the globe. 100-plus patents protect our wireless system, and world-leading adaptive data fusion and self-learning algorithms achieve 1-meter accuracy with no need for beacons, external Wi-Fi, or additional hardware, reducing costs and your building's carbon footprint. Mapsted's trailblazing indoor positioning system delivers seamless, precise, and dependable indoor-outdoor digital mapping and wayfinding. Whether it's navigating through complex venues or finding specific points of interest, Mapsted's turn-by-turn blue dot navigation ensures users can confidently navigate any space, and advanced accessibility options are designed to be inclusive to all users, providing a seamless and easy-to-navigate experience for everyone who enters your building. We have created groundbreaking solutions for industries as diverse as big box retail, corporate offices, higher education, hospitals and healthcare, museums and art galleries, resorts and parks, stadiums, trade shows and exhibitions, retail malls, and transportation hubs. Join us on this journey to transform the way we navigate with Mapsted,